So now if you don't have a jailbreak iPhone, normal iPhone, I recommend to use the Alstore here. Alstore, or I can show you the logo of Alstore. Here is the Alstore. You can search on Google Alstore and Alstore, it will come with it. So now this is how you install the Alstore. So I install it on my SE. So it will let you put your Apple ID, so you need to put it. So now done, enter. So on your home screen it will pop up with the app. Let me change the setting to make sure it pop up on the home screen. Where is it? Here. Okay, home screen. So it will show on home screen when it's coming. So wait, give it time. I have image playground, but it's not working. Oh, maybe it's working. No. Here, Alstore. So next step, you go to setting, you go to general, you scroll down and device management, and this is my email, and allow. Okay, now you can open it. Oh, okay, developer mode. Next one, you go to general and scroll down. Wait, where's the developer mode? Maybe on privacy. Scroll down. Here, developer mode, you need to turn it on. Turn it on. Restart. Okay, now your phone restart. Give it time. People not believe this have Apple Intelligence. Press home to continue. Continue. Enable. Put a password. Okay. Okay, put a password on. Again, after restart. Okay. Apple Intelligence. So fun. So now it all enabled. Go to Alstore. Enable it. Allow. And you need to sign in your Apple ID that you just signed on your computer. So let me sign in. Let me show you the trick where I can easily. Oh, it's not happened. Sorry. No? Okay. So I just need to type. So now it's all done. Press go. You need to sign in first before you install the app. So now it's all done. Go to my Telegram album. Wait. And the file I will put in my Telegram album, and you open it in Alstore. So I still connected to the computer because it need to connect to the server from your computer. If you have enabled Wi-Fi, I will show you. So next time you refresh the app, you just turn on your computer, connect the same Wi-Fi and refresh. It's done. So OS maybe it's not work on new version, but this is the way to get it. If you have old version, you can do it the same. But Alstore only support iOS 17. So in order to sideload, you need to check YouTube how to sideload. Maybe use SideStore or something like that. So now it's all done here. Here's the old OS, the glory that you are waiting for. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here. So I show you, you need to refresh the app. You just go to find it. You don't need to connect your phone to computer. You just turn on your computer and take on show on Wi-Fi. Apply. Done. So next time you want to refresh your app, because you have only 7 days, so the last day you just turn on your computer, connect the same Wi-Fi and refresh all. Refresh like this. It will refresh to 7 days again. See? Oh, I had a real example here. Right, Face ID working, so I connect to. Oh, I need to trust it again because I just put my Face ID on Apple Intelligent 12 mini. So allow, go back and Alstore. And oh, okay, because there's no Wi-Fi, so I connect to Wi-Fi. Right. And make sure you connect to the same Wi-Fi, okay? My Mac is MacBook Air, but it's running Sequoia, so that's the main thing. So now connect to Wi-Fi and refresh. And let's see if connect the same Wi-Fi. Okay, same Wi-Fi. Okay, all done. So this is how you do it. Peace.